Recently, I've been trying to learn how to play the guitar, and so far, it hasn't been going very well.
And instead of spending my time practicing, I thought it'd be cooler just to make my own instead.
So here's the plan. An electric guitar is pretty simple when broken down. The physical build boils down to a body and a neck. Since I don't want to overcomplicate things, I will go with off-the-shelf parts for most of the guitar. The only thing I will make will be the main body. I want to make myself a pretty cool guitar, but big issue, I have no woodworking skills at all, and I don't really want to learn currently because I don't want to lose any fingers, at least not for a few years. In the meantime, I have stuff like 3D printing and CNC machining, so I feel like I should be fine.
Okay, it's pretty hard. I've been trying to look for inspiration online, and there are a lot of cool designs, but I'm not an artist. And so I will do what Apple does best and copy someone else. After looking online, I found a pretty cool design by Olaf the Eagle, and all that's left to do is really just make it myself.
This is the current design. I went ahead and prototyped a resin version of it using my Formlabs Form 3L. I accidentally broke it in the process, but that's fine. What's important is that I got all the measurements correct. In order to make sure the guitar is structurally sound, I went ahead and used a cheap guitar kit body, so I know for certain it can handle all the forces and stresses it needs to. Going back to my notes, here's what I need. Zooming in on the body, we have the pickups. These are the electronics that pick up the movement of the strings and convert these vibrations into an output signal. Once the pickups are in place, before they can be connected to the output jack, they are usually wired up to a switch. The general idea is that it allows you to select the settings of the guitar. Also in the body is the bridge. In short, it anchors the strings. Moving back to the neck, we have parts like the headstock, tuners, fretboards, and strings. There are many fine details that go into a guitar, but for now, most of that is outside of my project scope. Now that all the guitar parts are taken care of, the next step in the process is to find a manufacturer that can make my guitar body. I don't think that should be too far. 3D printing technology has come a long way, so...
We're gonna win so much, you may even get tired of winning.
Didn't think everything through. But luckily, I have the sponsor of this video, PCBWay. Whether you're prototyping your next robot or building a custom guitar, PCBWay has you covered with high-quality PCBs, CNC machining, or 3D printing. Their turnaround time is so fast that I spent more time fixing my issues in CAD than it took them to print out the final model and ship the final part to me. Buying my own 3D printer is not something I can really do at the current moment, and so having PCBWay has been a great help. Thank you PCBWay for providing all these great services, and now back to the video. So the parts from PCBWay finally arrived, and they look great. So the next step would be to start assembling things. It broke! The screw broke! No!
So the guitar is done. The next step and final step would be to use it. But one issue, I don't know how to play the guitar. I spent all my time making one and spent zero time learning how to play. This is my friend Leandro, and hopefully you like what you hear. All right, I think we've heard enough.